Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to see how you can backtest any super trend based strategy on the futures in Tradingview platform. So basically this video is going to be in English and we are going to discuss how you can backtest the super trend strategy and automate the same strategy on the Algotest platform. So first of all, I have shared the super trend strategy link in the description below. You can check that out, and I have also put that link in the TechnoChart's Telegram channel, which is there in the description below. So what do you have to do? Firstly you have to click on the super trend link. I have clicked on that link, and as soon as you click on that link, you have to add that indicator to the favorites. So you firstly boost the indicator and add it to favorites. Here you can see add to favorites chart, and this is a very basic super trend strategy where we are going to exit the strategy at 3:20 p.m. and the source is open. Basically the code is open here. Right now, moving forward, so once I have to apply this particular indicator on my super trend on my Tradingview chart. Right now, what do? As soon as you have applied, as soon as you have added the indicator to favorites, go to the indicators part, and here in the favorite script you can search super trend or TechnoChart super trend. Here, just let me just search it. Yeah, so I can see here TechnoChart's super trend here. So I will just click on that, and the strategy will get applied on my chart. Now here, let me just do some basic changes in the setting here. Here, input, properties and style. So firstly we will just change the lighten the color here so that it is a better visible, and here again I will change it to a little lesser visible. Right now I have done that. So here in this super trend, let us first understand the basics of the strategy. As soon as the strategy gives me a buy signal, we are going to enter into the option or into the future on the next candle. So here you can clearly see that super trend has given me a buy on the previous candle, but the indicator strategy has given me a buy on the next candle, because we are going to enter once the indicator has confirmed that the trend has changed here. Right now I will go to the settings part. Here in the properties, let me just check it out, or input. Yeah, so I don't want the quantity, I want the trades on the chart, and I want the, yeah, so I will just click on this. Now moving forward, so firstly we will understand which is the best super trend setting here. So in super trend the default setting is 10,3. Now there are other settings that are available like 7,3, 10,2, 7,2, 7,1. Now you can use 7,1, 7,2 on a smaller time frame, and 10,3 is generally used if you want to trade any strategy for on the positional basis, and 7,3 also can be used as a strategy. Now we will understand how you can backtest any kind of strategy on the Tradingview platform. So as soon as you have applied the indicator, you can see the buy and sell signal that are appearing on the chart here. Now just expand this. Here, once you expand it, here you can see on the strategy tester, you can see the overview, what is the net profit that the strategy has made. In the performance summary, you can see the total profits of in the long, you can see the total profits in the short. Here also you can also see the list of trades, whether the trade was profitable, whether the trade was loss making, when did it enter and when did it exit here. Now if you can see here, first we will understand how you can get the proper backtest result. Here click on properties. Initial capital we will take it as 1 lakh rupees. Base currency is default here, let's say. Order size, here in order size you have to click contract, and what is the nifty lot size? We will select the nifty lot size, current lot size as 25. So here in contracts you have to change the order size to whatever the lot size that you are testing on. For Sensex you have to select 10, because in 10 contract you can trade 10 contracts with 1 lakh capital. That means we are in one lot, basically there are 10 Sensex, right? So that is what we are trying to do. Now we can click on OK. So here the result that you see is on a capital of 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so the result that you see is on a capital of 1 lakh rupees. So in the last 2 years, the strategy has made a profit of around 100% return with a drawdown of 34%. here if you look at the drawdown that it is showing is from equity curve high, and it is calculating on that. But our base capital is 1 lakh rupees, so we will calculate that the base capital, on the base capital the drawdown has come at around 34,000 rupees. Now if you look at 10,3, now I will just take the screenshot of this, let's say, and I will take a screenshot and I will paste it. Okay, so we will note it out, and this is 10,3 here. This is the result of 10,3. Now moving forward, we will change the super trend setting. Let's say I will keep the super trend setting as 10, or let's say 7,3, and close, source as the close. Okay, if we check the result of this strategy, so in this particular strategy I can see that the result has improved. The net profitability of the system has improved from 100%, 1 lakh rupees to 1,23,000 rupees, but the drawdown has also increased. So we will take a screenshot of this, and once you have taken the screenshot, and you can basically note it out ki 7,3 HLC or high by 2 basically has given me 1.2 lakh rupees with 40k drawdown. Got it? Now moving forward to the next strategy, let's say we can backtest it again to one other setting, let's say 7,3, and using HLC by 3. So does this change anything? This changes a lot. So as you can see, the net profit has come down a lot. We will change it. We can even change the time frame to backtest the strategy. Now if you are using a higher time frame, then I would suggest that you backtest the strategy on 10,3 settings, so that you can get a better result here. So let me just check it out. We will see what works better. Here I can clearly see the maximum drawdown is 80% here. So we are not going to run the strategy. Any strategy that has a huge drawdown, we should not be looking at those settings. And now let me just show you one thing. So here in one setting, let's say, so we have got here ATR period as 7, HLC by 3, and ATR period ATR multiplier as 3 here. Now I will show you one good example here to understand if you are trading the same strategy on futures versus you are trading the same strategy in options. Now here in, let's say, one setting we use HLC 7,3 and so current setting on my chart is 10,2 here. And if you look at the chart here, see, here I have sold the option, here I have bought the here I have sold it, here I have bought it. Now in the futures, if you are trading the futures, this will exit at cost to cost. Correct? This will exit at cost to cost. But in options, it may not exit at cost to cost, but rather you may make profit in this particular trade. Why? Because there is an edge known as theta decay, where even if market stays sideways, even if in this duration the future has not moved anything, but buy and sell signal has been generated, even though this has happened, you still have made profit on that. Right? Now let me just show you one of the backtest reports that I have started trading in my personal account, of the strategy that I am now trading in my personal account. So here it is the backtest report of a strategy where the total returns the strategy has made over a period of 2 years is 2,17,067 rupees, and this is without adding any slippages or adding any cost. Even after adding, let's say I will add the chart here. Sorry, we will add the chart on the net cumulative profit. Right. So here go to the charts part. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the cumulative profit chart of the same strategy. So 1 lakh capital is used, and the total profit has been generated from Jan 2023 has been around 2 lakh rupees, and this is without cost and anything. So we have not included cost in the backtest report as of now. The total drawdown that you see is around 4%, and you divide the day wise PNL. If you look at, Monday has contributed 30,000 rupees, Tuesday has contributed 46,000 rupees, Wednesday has contributed 55,000 rupees, Thursday has contributed 44,000, and Friday has contributed 40,000 rupees. So almost every day the strategy is able to make profit, and that is a nifty strategy. Here particularly I am selling options rather than trading on the futures. I am using the same logic on the options chart basically, right? So this is how you can start backtesting any kind of super trend strategy and start running the strategy in the live market. So how do you run a strategy in the live market? If you want me to make a video by using Tradingview and Algotest, how you can automate the strategy, just put comment super trend strategy. If I get demand for this particular strategy for the particular video, then I will definitely make the next video on that topic, where we are learning about how you can automate this particular strategy on Algotest platform. Right? Do share this video with all of your friends, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.